Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G62 and let me share with you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on backup option here. And as you can see right now, we can simply tap on add account, thanks to which we will be able to back up the data to the Google one. So let's tap on add account and make sure that we've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And from this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. What's more, a quick disclaimer, you don't have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it, and after tapping on next, your device will autofill it, so just the part before the @ symbol. Right now we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. And here we've got the information about the backup, so you're able to use 15 gigabytes of Google account to back up apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Of course, you can tap on more details to learn more. Your device will back up the data automatically, will store it securely, and you will be able to manage backup whenever you want to. So just tap on turn on. And as you can see, we will be transferred to the account storage, to another backup section, so we can check how much space we've got used, how much we've got left. We can manage the storage, so remove some unnecessary files, for example. Here we've got the backup details, so you can check which section has been already backed up. And here you've got also the option backup using mobile or metered Wi-Fi data. And I highly recommend to keep this option turned off, so just like it is right now. It is because if you will use the mobile data, then your operator may charge you for downloading something. So it's better to use the Wi-Fi. And all we have to do in order to finish the backup is to simply tap on backup now and confirm it with the screen lock. And as you can see, your device will back up the data right now. So actually that's all. This is how to enable Google Backup in your Motorola Moto G62. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.